we're gonna be ripping into an Eevee Pouch Accessory. This is Accessory Pouch Special Collection. Got 5 packs of Prismatic in there. Let's get into it. What we got here? Ooh. Little pouch. Keep your cards in. Good luck. Let's see. Thumbnail. What? Alright, let's rip. Warmed up. Give it away. Yeah. Got Amari's. Let's see. Oh. Fufru. Ralu. Friends in Padilla. There's a lot of trainers in here. Area 0 Underdepths. Pyroar. I gotta look at all of them. Buddy Poofin. Oh yeah. Reverse Hollow. Leafeon. Nice. Oh, Reverse Hollow. Hoot Hoot. And in a rare slot, who we got? Whimsy Scott. What a pull. Next. Bam. Gotta give it away. Little Leo. Tracklope. What do we got? Nordlin. We got plenty of him. Black Belt Training. What is it? Techno Radar. Oh, gotta have a collection of Dippins. What's that? Earthen Vessel. Ooh. What do we got going on here? Fluttermane. He's not supposed to be there. What else we got going on? Reverse Hollow of the Area 0 Underdepths. And in our spot, Sylveon Rare. Got double rares. Alright, that's not the worst. Still looking for a full art. They do exist, I think. Let's see. Code. Alright. Dunsparce. Nope, the Hippodome. What else we got going? Amari's, we just pulled that. Low Bunny. What's that? Friends in Paldea. Oh wow. Chrisman. Screamtail. The Trumpet. Reverse Hollow. What do we got? Briar. Glaceon. Reverse Hollow. In our rare slot, we got Jolteon. Right. Got a couple of those. Let's see. Come on. 2 packs left. 2 packs, and now I'm taking a break from Prismatic. Hey. We got a little Leo up front. Give the code away. What do we got? Dark Cloak again. Black Belt Training. Darlock. We got plenty of him. Shaman. The Mask. The Ogre's Mask. Let's see. Kieran. Artemis Reverse Hollow. What do we got going on there? Van Rotem Master Ball. Not bad. What do we got? EX here. Jolteon EX. Alright. That and the Master Ball. Probably the best so far. Last pack. I'm forgetting to smell them. Oh, goodness. Last pack. That smells like hits in there. Let's see. We got a magical last pack. Let's see. Code. What we got? Dunsclops, Hippo, Houndour, Slowpoke, Lacey, Screamtail, Briarian, who we got going on? Lacey, Reverse Hollow, Flareon, Rare. Oh, end it with a full art trainer. We got Gary Como. Let's see, he's a 2-star. Oh yeah. I think that's the hits. We got a full art. 5 packs. What? Ding ding dong. Signing off. See you in the next one.